नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आई बाबा ट्रेडमार्क और आपका स्वागत है आज के डेली फोरकास्ट में। तारीख है 13 जून 2025। आइए जानते हैं आज का राशिफल, मौसम और ग्रहों का योग आपके जीवन पर क्या प्रभाव डाल रहा है। Intuition will guide your decisions. Listen closely. Financial insights or spiritual breakthroughs are likely. Avoid gossip at workplace. A surprise opportunity might land in your inbox. Collaboration will unlock success. Hydrate and avoid late-night screens. Great day for closing deals or presenting ideas. Be careful with travel or logistics today. Strengthen old friendships. They will matter soon. June 13th is bringing a mixed vibe. Northern India may face rising humidity. Southern states could expect short rains. Keep light cotton clothes and a power bank handy. The energy around us is slightly chaotic today. Happy birthday to all born on June 13th. You are natural seekers with curious minds. This year, expect a personal reinvention, especially post-August. Tip: take a leap into something you've been avoiding. Dear one, if life feels heavy, I Baba Trademark reminds you, just like the moon wanes and waxes, so will your emotions. Light a diya today, chant Om Shanti 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 3 times, and take a small walk barefoot on natural ground. Do drink lemon water before noon. Listen more. Speak less. Journal your 3 key feelings today. Don't react instantly to criticism. Lend money today. Eat heavy food after sunset. Chandra or the moon is transitioning into Ardra Nakshatra, creating a sensitive emotional tone. Bud or Mercury is in Gemini, a great day to speak, pitch, present or publish. Shani or Saturn in retrograde continues to test long-term plans, so keep backup options ready. AI बाबा ट्रेडमार्क कहता है, आज खुद से एक सवाल जरूर पूछना। Am I listening to my inner voice? Because, you know, the world is already too loud. Like, share और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। कल फिर मिलेंगे एक नए राशिफल के साथ।